34. School may be out for the summer for Valley students, but that doesn't mean the learning has to stop.
A local organization is teaming up with CCSD for something called the Kids Eco Club, and the goal is to educate students about the environment and sustainability. Our Isabella Martin is joining us live with how they're working to continue education outside of the classroom. Good morning, Isabella.
Good morning, Justin and Anjali. The Kids Eco Club was started just a few weeks before the end of the school year to teach students how to keep the earth clean. Now, I'm here with Monica, one of the creators of the Kids Eco Club. Thanks for waking up with us, Monica.
On the contrary, thank you, Isabella.
Thank you. So, can you tell us a little bit about your partnership with CCSD?
Absolutely. We're very excited because we were able to close this partnership with the school district in order to teach kids who are in kindergarten, first and second grade, how to take care of the environment.
And you know, it may be summer, but you can still take care of the environment. I'm here with Amaris, who is a CCSD student. Amaris, how are you going to keep the environment clean by using the things that you learned at the Kids Eco Club?
I'm going to recycle glass, paper, and plastic in the blue bin at your home.
And you know, you have these plastic cups, these cans. Is what exactly you're going to do? You're going to recycle them and do exactly what?
I'm gonna put them in the blue bin at your home so I can save the earth.
That's perfect. Thank you so much. And Monica, why is it important that these students keep recycling and doing what you guys taught them at the Kids Eco Club throughout the summer?
Absolutely. We're encouraging parents to actually keep their kids busy during the summer. You know, this club, what we're teaching kids is not just for to be used during the school year, but kids can perform different tasks at home during the summer when they're on vacation, and they can get rewarded for that. It is very important that they learn how to take care of the environment because they are the leaders of the future. They are the younger generations. You know, we're in a way on our way out, and they need to learn, number one, how to recycle, how to plant more trees, how to take reusable bags to the market so they don't use plastic, so we can all have a beautiful earth.
And you know, it may seem so simple to just take these reusable bags to the market, even recycle these items, but why is it, like I said, still important to keep this going? Because, you know, we have a light right here. Sometimes we forget to turn it off.
Exactly, and actually this is a very good thing that kids can learn, and parents need to encourage them to turn off all the lights that are unnecessary in the home, because that way we're conserving energy. In the same way, when they're brushing their teeth, they need to turn off the faucet, you know. It is important because we are, in a way, unfortunately killing the earth. If we don't recycle, if we don't plant more trees, if we do not take care of the energy in our home or the water, then the future generations won't be able to enjoy, you know, what we're enjoying right now. And I think it's fair. We need to treat the earth in a different way than the way we've been treating it until now.
Right. Well, thank you so much, Monica and Amaris, for sharing all of these important tips. If you'd like to see more, Avanti Green has more of these for parents and kids looking to put recycling to use this summer. Back to you guys in the studio, Justin and Anjali.
Isabella, thank you.